Okay, start. What is this?
This is a bug.
It's a toy.
It's a toy.
It's a worm. It's a worm toy.
Okay, how it is moving?
Well, there's this wheel at the back.
Okay. The
And
wheel.
then-
Then.
There's this thread which is like tied at the back here,
Mm.
and then you just like pull it,
Mm.
and the wheel makes it go back, and then when you release it, it just goes flat.
Okay. How
We
how does it work? Can you explain a little bit in terms of
Energy.
yeah?
oh my god.
So when you pull the string back,
Mm.
you are storing potential energy. And then when you release the string, the potential energy converts into kinetic energy and the toy moves forward.
So you mean to say that okay, can you please turn upside down? Let's see what is the mechanism.
So there's basically just
Okay.
the rolling thing.
Rolling thing. So can you explain like okay, this is the one.
So this is made of newspaper, washers, and rubber bands. And the thread is wound around it. So when you pull the thread upwards, this wheel, it rotates. And then when you release the thread, it rotates the other direction because there is potential energy stored in the rubber bands.
Why do you have a button on the both side? Why there is a separation between the two rubber band? Can you show it to me? Why, if there is no separation, yeah, there's some separation between the two rubber band. What is the purpose of this button? What will happen if there is no separation between these two rubber bands? So let's assume that we have a hollow cylinder like this, and if we just pass through the rubber inside this, what will happen?
The wheel won't rotate.
Okay, so is it only the potential energy, but that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy,
Yes.
and that energy is that kinetic energy is used for moving the what the
Wheel.
toy means the toy along with the wheel forward.
Yeah.
But if there is no separation, what the moment of force? It's a turning effect.
Yes.
Am I right? In order to produce a turning effect, there should be a what?
Maximum distance between the pivoted point and the point of force of application.
That means the moment of force. But wait. So the question is, if there is no separation between these two, then there will not be a moment of force
Yes.
because the perpendicular distance will be 0.
Yes.
So that is what
You
is
are
the
trying to
purpose.
explain.
Yeah, this is what the purpose of the button is. More the separation,
More the moment of force.
yes, more the moment of force, because the portion of this toy which is behind this portion, so we have a head portion here, from head to toe, it has some weight that has to what take it forward by this wheel.
Yes.
So the more the separation, it will move forward. Okay, so if I put a little heavier stuff here, it will not able to move forward. But if we adjust the separation, then we can take it. We can move it forward. And what are the other physics principles involved in this toy?
I don't know.
Balance is also there. See, when we see, can you yeah, when she release the toy, it bends this way.
Yes.
There is only two support point. It is made by this binding wire, is it?
Yes.
There's only two support points. So when she release it, if the what?
Look.
Yeah, so it will tilt the head. Yeah. See, the head tilts in this way. Okay. So balance is also there. Then about the friction. If the surface is very smooth, what will happen? Will it move forward?
Yeah, it will go sliding.
So it will not move forward. Friction also plays a very important role.
Yes.
That is why we are making this one little bit heavier. If we don't have this heavy washer, if we have only this newspaper roll, then it will not be able to
Move forward.
Instead of what to say, moving forward, it will slip on the surface.
More
So
the mass, more the friction.
yeah, more the mass, more the friction. So that is how it works. So do you like this toy?
I'm playing with it right now.
So what is the name of this toy?
You name it.
I don't know. It's just a toy, but it has a lot of physics concept
Name
which
it the worm toy.
one toy. So it has a energy concept. It has a moment of force, which is nothing, which is a torque concept. Then again, it has the what is it? The friction. Okay. So what is potential energy?
Potential energy is the energy possessed by a body during its state of rest.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. How to make it? We'll make another video and we'll see. Okay.
Not to me.
Let's see how you know how to make this. It's a simple paper folding. There are many I mean tutorials in origami or anywhere. So this is the paper which we use. Okay, thank you.